Hey guys! You know, mini bags have been all the rage as of late, and normally I don't even follow trends. I really don't. But when I saw this bag, I just knew that this bag was for me. So I figure I'd pop on in here and give you guys a mini review as well as a what's in my bag for my bag this week. And that is the Radziwell bag by Tory Burch. Now this mini dynamo, again, this is made by Tory Burch and it's named after the well-known socialite as well as sister, younger sister to Jackie Kennedy Onassis, Radziwell. And it comes in all different type of varieties. This is the smallest version, but it comes in a medium and a larger size, as well as different colors and different styles, including this one, which is shearling and leather. Well, just really quickly, just to give you a little background, this bag, it comes with a top handle as well as a crossbody strap. And when I saw this strap, I said, well, I won't be using this because I'm not going to wear it crossbody. But guess what? I sure did. And it was very comfortable, being that it's a small size, and it looked very good, if I must say so myself. But for those who are not so inclined to carry it crossbody, the strap itself, they are detachable as well as adjustable. So that's a good thing. And in addition to the top handle, it does have 3 snaps on the inside to help secure the 3 compartments. Yes, I said 3 compartments of this small little bag. So you have the one compartment, the second one, and then you have the third one in the back. And again, it has snaps at the top that secure everything. Once you put everything in your bag, you can secure it up top with the snaps, as well as there is a buckle closure in the front. So the bag can adjust as far as size on the side, and you would pull the buckle towards the front and secure it in the front. And it's very easily detachable, and it has the little T logo in the front for Tory on the buckle. The shearling is very soft, it's very fluffy, and I'm very into textures, you know, textures and colors. So the pecan, I'm going to call it pecan. So the pecan colored leather is on the side as well as the strap and the handle and on the front lip of the bag. On the other side, or the inner compartment of the bag, we do have the dark leather. But the bag all around, it's very well made, it's very compact, and it's a cutie. It's a cutie pie. It's a cutie that's a keeper. So now that we've talked about the outside, let's get to the goodies on the inside, which would be what's in my bag. So let's see what's in my bag. And like I said, don't let the small size fool you, because this little petite bag can pack quite a bit. So starting with the first compartment, or the one furthest, or the one closest to the front, we are going to start with my hand sanitizer, which is by Touchland. I just recently got this. They have scented hand sanitizers. This is, I believe, the watermelon. Okay, and I like it a lot. It smells good, it sprays on easily, it dries quickly, and it does the job. And nowadays, everybody can use a little hand sanitizer in their bag. And so I always make sure I have hand sanitizer with me. And so as well, I do have my trusty chapstick. This is by Burt's Bees. This is Cucumber Mint. Brooklyn, what do you want? I thought we had a closed set around here. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, so I have a whole slew, well, not a whole slew, but I did buy a variety pack of these chapsticks. And besides smelling like cucumber mint, it does the trick. It does its thing, and it does moisturize my lips and keep them from getting chapped. In addition to that, I do have my trusty lipstick with me. This one is by MAC. And I believe this was from the Disney Villains collection. And I believe that's Maleficent from Snow White. And I love this lipstick. I've been rocking it as of late because of the versatility of it. It looks really dark and really vampy. So it's like a dark burgundy, at least in the tube. But once you put it on, what I like about it is that I can put it on dark, or I can just dab it on my lips and just rub it in, and it looks like a stain. And the color on my lips, if I lighten it or I stain it, it's more like a Red Delicious apple. So it can go from burgundy to Red Delicious apple, and I love that. So that is what I have been rocking. As well as I like to carry a pen with me at all times. You just never know when you might need to leave your signature somewhere or write a note. And so I like to, excuse the lint, I like to use the ones with the caps on it instead of the ones that you sort of flick or have the push button at the end. As you can imagine, I don't need any mishaps in my bag with ink leaking out or anything like that. So I prefer pens with caps on them when I do carry them in my bag. As well as I have my trusty mask. I don't wear this all the time. However, if I'm in a crowded place like the grocery store or something like that where there's a whole bunch of people, I do wear a mask. But I always like to have one handy because you just never know when you may need it. So I just carry a mask with me. I try to remember to carry a mask with me at all times. Okay, now getting into the second compartment, I do carry I have a little wallet. It's a DIY wallet. It's nothing special. It's just like a little zip catch-all that I MacGyvered or decorated. It has all my cards in it and if I have change or a couple of dollars, I just put this in there and it fits perfectly in the bag. I do have a normal wallet or more professional wallet, but I just always carry this. I just always grab this and carry this because it already has all my stuff inside. So it's sort of a no-brainer. I just grab it and go. I do have my car keys, and this is also by Tory Burch, this little keychain. It's just a little flower pot with a flower or a daisy sticking out from it. Little leather piece, really nice. And I have my AirPods. This is just the cover, obviously. And the AirPods are on the inside, like that. So I can listen in on my phone and not miss what's going on, you know what I mean? As well as Illudens. This is a cough drop. This is the cherry version. And I usually try and keep a couple in my bag or in my bags, whichever one I'm carrying. That way, if you need something to sweeten your breath, you know, so you're not knocking people over. And as well, maybe something just to tide you over, just in case you're hungry and you just need something to, you know, satisfy that hunger just for that little bit. So that's why I like the Illudens. Again, it's a cough drop, but I like to use it as sort of a breath mint or breath refresher, if you will. And in the last compartment, I do, and let me show you in the second one, there is a card holder, okay? So there's 2-3 slots for your cards. Just in case you don't have a smaller wallet or you don't want to carry anything extra, she can accommodate that as well. In the third compartment, I do have my wooden comb. And wooden combs are very good for your hair as they help to disperse the natural oils from your scalp throughout your strands, as well as to help keep static at bay, you know, during the wintertime and your hair starts to, you know, lift up because there's a lot of electricity in the air because of the colder, dry weather. Well, wooden combs are very helpful in keeping your hair static free. And this one is just by The Body Shop. So there is that. So there you have it. Like I said, I mean, this bag can carry a pretty bit, which is why I really like it. Besides it being stylish, besides it being a neutral color, so I can pretty much wear it with everything, it fits the bill for me. I normally don't carry a lot of things with me unless I am traveling or I'm doing something, you know, with regard to business or something like that. Other than that, I basically, my everyday essentials, that's what I carry with me, like my keys, my cards, and all that other good stuff. And this one, this little bag, it definitely fits the bill. Like I said, it definitely does its thing. Now, I know that summer is pretty much, it's right around the corner. And when we look at and we think of shearling, we think of winter and fall. So I wanted to squeeze this one in here before spring has sprung out of here and we're into the warmer season, because this one is definitely worth a mention. So that's about it. Oh, and I wanted to make mention that it does not have feet on the bottom. It's just smooth leather on the bottom. However, some of the other bags, I did notice some of the bigger bags, they do have feet on the bottom, but I don't put my bags on the ground. I just don't. But for those who are so inclined to do so or are into those particulars and just wanted to know the deets on that, this one does not, but the other ones, some of the other ones do. As well as, I don't believe they sell this version anymore. But again, if you look at their website, as well as Neiman Marcus and some of the other bigger department stores, they have quite a few varieties of this bag, including sizes. So there is that. But yeah, I just wanted to put, like I said, I just wanted to pop in here really quickly and just give y'all a little skinny of what's going on inside my bag. And the bag for this week that we're speaking of is the Radziwell by Tory Burch.